Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today we're going to be making creamy chicken soup. Here's a list of ingredients. Now let's get started. Let's start off by adding our chicken stock to a medium pot on medium heat. Now add in your chicken and add in your veggies. Put on the lid and let that boil on medium heat until we get the rest of the ingredients ready. Now in a small pot on medium heat, add in your butter and let that melt. Once the butter is melted, add in your onions. And we're just going to cook that for a few minutes and then add in your salt and pepper and any of the spices that you'd like. Now add in your garlic and cook it for about 30 seconds longer. Once it looks like that, add in your flour and whisk continuously for about 60 seconds before we start adding in our milk. And now slowly add in your milk and cream while whisking the whole time. You don't want it to burn or get stuck to the bottom, so make sure you keep mixing. Now add in the rest of the milk and whisk that together until it thickens and starts to boil again. And once it comes to a boil, just remove it from the heat. And that's what it's going to look like when it's finished. And now we're just going to get ready to add that to the rest of our other soup. Now just add that to our chicken soup and mix it together. And once it comes to a boil again, just remove it from the heat and get ready to serve. This recipe is so simple to make. If you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. And of course, the soup would taste so good with a homemade bun. I'll be sharing that recipe soon. I hope you enjoy this soup and have a good day. Bye.